Ever wondered what really happens when you forget the Telegram's 2FA password? Don't panic, today I'll be walking you through the official Telegram's 2FA reset process, step by step, so that you can get back and secure your account like a pro. Let's look at how it's gonna work. The two-factor authentication, known as the 2FA, is like an invisible shield of your Telegram account. It adds an extra layer of security on top of your password, keeping the hackers and snoopers away. But surprisingly, this shield can also lock you away in case you forget the 2FA password or lose your recovery email. In this video, we'll explore why 2FA is important, what to do if you're locked out, the exact steps to reset your password, and how to make sure it never happens again. Looking at the invisible shield, let's start by understanding that Telegram's 2FA. Think of your 2FA as a digital fortress. Unlike a normal password, which can be guessed or stolen, the 2FA requires something that you only have. Either it's a secret key or recovery email. This means that if someone knows your password, they can still not get in without the second step. It is a game changer in the fight of cyber threats. Moving on to the second one, we have the unforeseen lockout, when the 2FA becomes a barrier. But here's the catch: forget that password, lose your device, or skip setting up a recovery email, of which nowadays it's impossible, and you may be completely locked out. And this is where most people panic and try different passwords. And now when they fail with trying multiple passwords, they try reinstalling the app or even create a new account. Your mistakes can make recovery harder. Rule number one: don't keep rushing and don't keep guessing. Now, this part of initiating the reset, Telegram's official protocol. To start the reset, open Telegram and go to the login screen, enter your phone number and tap forgot password. And now you will see the recovery option, and this is where Telegram warns you of the 7-day period. Yes, 7 days. This security measure makes sure that it's you resetting, not the attacker or the hacker. Let's go and navigate the reset process step by step. Here is the exact process. Tap forgot password on the login screen. Then Telegram will send the recovery code to the linked recovery email. Now, if you don't have one, please make sure that you create one and wait for the 7 days before you proceed to the next steps. Now, once you get the code, enter it into Telegram. Choose new strong password. Make it at least 8 characters with a mix of letters, numbers and symbols. Now after settings, go to your settings, privacy, and make sure that under the linked devices you don't have any suspicious device logged into your account. Now let's also consider things that we should do beyond the reset, the measures that we may have done earlier to prevent this from happening. Now that you're back again, let's make sure that it never happens. First, use your password manager so you never forget the 2FA code. Now if you have a password manager, this can help us not forget our passwords or our codes that easily. Then the other thing, you need to update your recovery email every time it changes. Yeah, in this case, you may be changing your emails yet you're not updating, so this can affect your Telegram account. So I urge you to just, whenever you update the email, make sure that everything is matching. Then the other thing, keep your contact information accurate in Telegram. Now these are some of the We may call it minor things, but again they can affect you. In case things turn sideways, make sure that your contacts align properly with your account. Make sure that nothing is missing, because anything that can happen in case there is something not adding up, Telegram will suspect that maybe you're not the owner of the account, so hence pushing more days, more time, and I find it that most of the people just give up because of the mistakes that they have made. Now the other thing is you need to stay informed of the Telegram's often updates in its security features. So in this case, you just have to explore the settings every after a big update, so you always be updated on what's going on in the app. So Telegram's 2FA is both your defense, if you're not careful, your biggest headache. By following these instructions, you can enjoy the protection without painful lockouts. And yeah, this has been it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, blessings.